Hi everyone, welcome to SEAMETAL channel again. Nice meeting you today. And today I'm going to introduce you a new car seat cover, and our serial number is C39641. And you can input this number into SEAMETALco.com to find more details. You know, this car seat cover is high graded material and with perforated material design, so it's airy and breathable. It can well protect your original car seat. And you see here, the design is nice and beautiful, and it is black with red lines and with many perforated design. So you can use it not only in summer but all the other seasons. So it's 4 seasons use. And on its back, we have anti-slip silicone particle design, so which is playing a very good fixing role. So in case when you drive, and it will not fall down. And on the front, you see there is an extra pocket design, so you can put your small stuff into that, your mobile phone and the card and the keys and all stuff in the car. So it is can well organize your car. And it's very easy to install, and we have this buckle prepared. Okay, you just need to, let me show you, insert this buckle, insert these two into the front seat gap, and it's done. It's so easy, and we'll show you outside to how to install them and how it looks like. And for this product, we have 3 options. One is with black with red lines, and we also have all black, means black and with black lines here. And also we have black with red lines, which looks very beautiful. And this size, and for each set we have 2 front, you see this 2 front seat and 1 for rear seat. The length is around 135 meters, so it's suitable for all cars, so don't worry about the size. And for this rear seat, you see we have 2 extra pocket too, so you can put the mobile phone into that and other stuffs into that, and makes your car looks neat and tidy. So now let's go outside and install them in the car, so show you a whole effect and how they look like after installation. Hi everyone, we are with the car now, and I'm going to show you how to install this C39641 car seat cover. You see, this is the for front seat, and it's so easy. First install this buckle, then let me insert these 2 into the gap. Okay, adjust it, then it's done. So let me install the other one. Install these 2. Okay, you can see this is anti-slip design, and put the small things into here. So it's done. Okay, so here is the for rear seat car seat cover. Let me install it first. Install this fastener and insert into that. Okay, adjust it. And the other side the same. Yes. And also, okay, leave this out. Okay. Okay, and also you can put the mobile phone into this pocket. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. If you find my video, my introduction is helpful, and please click a like and subscribe our channel, and we'll bring more products to you. Thanks for watching.